Good morning everyone. Students, in last class we have started revision of 7th chapter weather and seasons, and we have finished our topic weather. Today we will discuss our next topic seasons. Okay. Now students, you know what is a weather? First tell me the answer. What is weather? The day-to-day condition of a place is known as weather. The day-to-day condition of a place is known as weather. Now question is, what is season? When weather remains the same for long time is called a season. When weather remains the same for a long time is called a season. Just for an example, you can see in these days you can see the cold. Daily you can see cold weather, means this is remains same from many days. Daily cold, that means winter season. This is winter season. Okay, you can see our weather is cold from so many days, so long time, so it is called winter season. When weather remains the same for a long time is called a season. In India we have three main seasons. They are summer, rainy and monsoon. Okay, summer season, rainy season or monsoon season. Okay, now and third is winter season. Okay, summer, rainy and winter season. Now what is summer season? When sun shines brightly, hot days. Okay, a very hot during summer seasons is bring March and June. Summer season is between March and June in many parts of our country. Okay, in summer season sun shines brightly, so these are very hot days and it comes in between March to June. It comes in between March to June. Okay students, now it is clear when summer season comes. In between March and June. In these days sun shines brightly, so these are very hot days. Next is monsoon. It rains a lot during this season. The rainy seasons usually last from June to September. Means in these days lots of rain. That's why these are called rainy season. Usually it lasts from June to September. And next is winter season. When the weather stays cold, just like today's days, weather stays cold from many days. So it is winter season. When weather stay cold for a long time, it is winter. December and January are the coldest month in India. Winter season starts from November and it ends from February. Ends in February. But the December and January are the coldest month in India. Okay, so there are three seasons: summer seasons, monsoon and winter. Summer, monsoon and winter, these are very different from each other. So I think these are clear in your mind. Summer, hot days; monsoon, rainy seasons; winter, coldest days. Okay students, now we will do exercise questions. You can see first question. Color the correct box in green. First question. The sun shines brightly on a first cloudy day, sunny day. Answer is sunny day. Next. India has 3 seasons or 4 seasons. You have studied about 3 seasons. So tick right against the 3 seasons. Okay. Next. We can sometimes see a rainbow. First option before the rain. Second option after the rain. Answer is after the rains. Next. In summer, people like to wear. First option. Woolen clothes, cotton clothes. Answer is cotton clothes. In summer, people likes to wear cotton clothes. Next, match the following. First, a day-to-day condition is called a weather. So, first match with D. Okay. Second, hot and dry days are in summer. So, second match with C. Weather conditions stay the same for a long time is called seasons. So, third match with A. Rainy season is also known as monsoon. So, fourth match with B. Next, answer the following questions. First question, name 2 things people like to do on rainy day. Rainy day पे क्या करना पसंद है बेटा? Take bath and taking tea and snacks. जब रेनी डे होते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं? या तो रेन में नहाना पसंद करते हैं या फिर चाय के साथ स्नैक्स लेना पसंद करते हैं. टेकिंग टी एंड स्नैक्स. सेकेंड, व्हाट डू पीपल वियर व्हेन इट इज कोल्ड? पीपल वियर woolen clothes when it is cold. People like to wear woolen clothes when it is cold. Next question. What do people like to eat and drink in summer? People like drink cool drinks, juices and enjoy ice creams. Okay. People like drink cool drinks and juices and enjoy ice creams. Next question. Name the 3 main seasons in India. First is summer. Second, monsoon. And third, winter. Students, our chapter is finished. So you have to read this lesson very carefully and revise all exercise questions. If you have any doubt, any query in revision, then you can ask to me. Okay, bye bye, take care.